Feeling a bit overwhelmed trying to juggle data, trends, and content creation all at once? AI might just be the helping hand you need without replacing the human touch. Let's explore 3 ways AI is reshaping marketing. First up, AI helps marketers make sense of overwhelming amounts of data. Tools like AI-powered analytics can identify patterns in consumer behavior so you can make smarter decisions faster. Next, AI takes the hassle out of everyday content creation. From writing ad copy to blog posts, AI tools speed up the process, giving you more time to focus on creative strategy. Finally, AI is changing how we target audiences. With advanced algorithms, you can personalize each campaign to deliver the right message to the right person at the right time. Now, we get it. AI comes with ethical concerns like biases in algorithms or over-reliance. But used thoughtfully, it's a tool to augment, not replace, your creativity and industry expertise. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and check out the links below to start building your AI marketing skills today.